Hey guys, Kiguru here with a Firefox tutorial, pretty much cross-platform, obviously, because Firefox is compatible with Ubuntu, Linux, I should say, Firefox, or OS X. So basically, it's a great Firefox tip for you guys involving keyword searches and how to make it's a productivity tip, guys, basically. And I am gonna let out a little teaser in this video. I am starting to make a kind of an overview of all Firefox tricks, tips, all that stuff. It's going to be fresh to enhanced browser series, and you can look for that. I have to probably splice it into parts, but yeah. Anyways, I thought I'd make mini tips for Firefox, great stuff that gets me along the day, and really stuff that you incorporate in technology, real life, from keyboard shortcuts, all that stuff, incorporating it into your browser and using keyword searches with links, and anything that can shorten a link, a long link especially, that you visit daily. Rather, if you can use bookmarks, of course, but let's take bookmarks a step farther, and so that's what I'm going to be talking about today with keyword searches. So first off, I'm going to show you an example of keyword. So of course you can go to your bookmarks and go to click the link you want, and that's fine, that's cool. But you can also do the sidebar thing when if you have your Firefox sidebar open. That's cool too. Bookmark, I should say. Bookmark toolbar open. But if you want to save time to the keyword, it doesn't take that long either to go to this and find the link. But sometimes if you have over like 200 bookmarks, I know some people do have that, and you can't. It's harder to find. But then again, you can always search, blah blah. But why not just save the trip of typing all that search in and doing it this way, setting up a keyword. For example, if you want to go to live.perl.com, where I check there every day, most of the time. I try to be regular in chat. Now, instead of doing that, why not do just incorporate into a keyword search? And how you do that is actually pretty easy, guys. So you just want to go to the site you want, bookmark it, and then, for example, we're gonna go to my blog that I recently just bookmarked. Yeah, and then so it's right here, and then you're gonna want to click it. Actually, let me delete this one because this one's actually wrong. Sorry. Okay, you want to go to your blog or whatever your bookmark you want to do. Go to properties, and then it's gonna have your location, obviously, wherever you want to get, wherever the site is, the name, I should say Tech World blog, and the keyword. Now, keyword is whatever you want to input to shorten the text. The keyword for that link right here, whatever you're setting, this will redirect you to this. So type in your keyword for that. Will be TWB, standing for Tech World blog. Now you can set a description if you want, and if you want to do it another way, you can load it into the sidebar like I showed you earlier. If you go into View, Toolbar, Sidebar, and you just want to go through your sidebar, that's totally fine, guys. Up to you. Whatever whatever productivity works for you best. But I like the keyword, so set your keyword, hit OK. Now when you type in TWB, take you there. Now stuff like CP for me would go to Chris Pro Live. You see how it redirects. You can do it for a whole bunch of stuff. If you don't like typing in long URLs, just type in simply 2 or 1 letter, just to go off, and yeah. So after that, you can go ahead and do whatever you want. But like I said, you can do countless ways on Firefox, from bookmarks to all the other stuff. But it'd be great if you can convert all your bookmarks to use keywords, just in case you ever forget the link, or if you have a site you really like and you want to visit it. And sometimes I'm not sure if there's a way to incorporate it without bookmarking, but if you set a keyword for the site, so you can see if you want to put. Hang on. But as long as you set the keyword for the site, you have to add right here, bookmark this page, and then you bookmark it, and then etc, and then you go on from there. Now I'm going to show you how to do something even further with this keyword search. For example, we're going to head over to wikipedia.org, and I'm sure you see what what a search query or search bar is. Basically, it's this right here. That's your search bar, guys. Now some stuff we looked up there on Wikipedia. That's the most recent one. But anyway, if you notice, when you right click on a search bar and anything that has a search query in it, which is this right here, it says add a keyword for this search, and this is actually really helpful. Now I'm gonna set this up because I need to set this up anyway, and I'm gonna name it Wiki Search, and that's standing for Wikipedia search. Now the keyword is gonna be WP, first name for Wikipedia. I can put that in the Firefox favorites. And make sure you have to be hovering above the actual search bar you want to use. Now I'm going to show you how you can incorporate this. Now it's right there, wiki search, and this is really cool, guys. So let's say I want to do a wiki search on Kiguru. I don't think there is any, but who knows. You do WP and then space and the thing you want, and it goes searching through Wikipedia search and tries and find out that thing you're looking for. So WP YouTube. Let's see. Yeah, and it redirected it right there. So you see, guys, it just redirects it. So WP, that's what I keyword set. So you just have to find your search thing, and you can actually do this with even stuff like Google.com. Now, of course, Firefox by default, you can just type in something and go to Google, but just click on the search query string or toolbar and go to add keyword for this search. So that's another great productivity tip, using keywords, guys. So use keywords, especially with Firefox. They're your friend, and they can only they can only enhance your browsing. And I would also recommend you get display bookmarks up here, just in case your keyboard shortcut doesn't work. But like I said, if you're a master of keyboard shortcuts, then you really don't need this. I just put that up there for now to show you guys. Control B gets the job done. Really utilize Control B and all your other if you search Firefox keyboard shortcuts, you're gonna get a good list of keyboard shortcuts from, Lifehacker, all these other ones. So really look into those, guys. But anyway, guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial on productivity tips and keyword searches. Thanks for watching.